All right, 2016 Ford Expedition with the 3.5 twin turbo engine, and we're going to replace the drive belt. Let's get to it. First thing to do is come under here. This front kind of felt or fabric cover is the first one you need to get to. I've already removed these first two. All you have to do, you can see right here, just grab it, twist it, and they come right off. Then once you get to these, you can either get a flat head or a needle nose and go at them, or you can just pull them off by grabbing the fabric like so. And there you have it. All right, we're gonna get a 15 millimeter socket on here, and we're going to pull down in a loosening fashion. And you can see the tension's already on it. I'm not gonna be able to grab it while holding the camera. So with both hands, you'd reach over there and you'd grab that belt. But I'm not gonna be able to do that. So I'm gonna put the camera down real quick. And there you have it. Your drive belt has been removed. If this video helped you out, make sure you leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.